Friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about two trades in which what are the problems usually the people faces most of the time, how to overcome when we get the losses. Okay, and also any the best trading system. Whoever says right, this is the best trading system, my indicator is great indicator, all those things everybody says it. Okay, all the market participants, whoever participate in the market, everybody having their own strategy, their own set of indicators, their own setup, but there is no 100% perfect setup. Okay, so because of that, obviously sometimes we may also end up with losing the trades. Okay, when we lose the trades, right, what we have to do? Okay, and also what is the corrective measurements we have to do to come out to overcome such a situations, and also when the indicators work and when indicators will not work, all those details I am going to discuss in this video. Before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer, please be mindful of it. Okay, whatever the data presenting here, it's just for the educational purpose. Based on my past experiences, I am sharing my learning experiences here, which may help for people whoever seriously wanted to trade. Okay, that is the intention behind making these videos. Okay, coming to the topic, right, let's take today. I have yesterday yesterday in the sense over the weekend I selected few stocks. Okay, in that few stocks, right, RBL Bank. Okay, even I posted in my Telegram channel. There will be some long opportunities. If we see, right, okay, these are my picks: RBL, PNB Housing, and M&M. Okay, these are the stocks I wanted to take the long positions for holding some time. Okay, say 1 week or 10 days. Okay, this was the my trading plan. At the same time, I do had a trade trade plan on the Hindustan Zinc. Okay, this is the Hindustan Zinc. What I mentioned here is over the weekend, Hindustan Zinc, okay, came for the reversal. Okay, as per my study, it's supposed to fall. Okay, that was the my study, but still it went up by more than 5% or 6% today. Okay, when my study went wrong, what I did and how I overcome the situation. Okay, let us discuss. Of course, this RBL Bank went up by 5% today also, 5.8%, PNB 2%, M&M 0.6% loss. Okay, nothing here. I'm not saying I'm not a great person. Just it's a randomly I pick. I do the some study. Okay, based on my study, I trade it. Okay, it's not like the tips I am giving. Here, the intention behind this video is, let's say, in the morning, in the beginning of the trade, okay, I initiated the trade here in this point in the Hindustan Zinc. This is the my trading setup normally. Okay, all these indicators are something like, everybody follows their own indicators. Like that, I am also following my own indicators. Okay, this, see, as per my indicators. Okay, here indicator is not a matter, price action is the matters. Okay, as per my indicator, whenever the extreme move is there, whenever extreme move is there, that means this line above, whenever the stock trades above this line, there will be some retracement. I wanted to capture this retracement. Okay, that was the intention behind this indicator which I have developed. Okay, so in the morning, Hindustan Zinc gave the trading opportunity for me. I initiated the trade here. Okay, but it acted like it is giving me the profit, then immediately went and it hit my stop loss. Okay, when we are on the wrong side, our trade is wrong. Okay, Even though, see, my trade is wrong, stop loss hit, it doesn't mean that, okay, I am the wrong. What I'm trying to tell you is, when our study goes wrong, that means how we have to deal the situation. Okay, let's say one example, like you prepared well, you came for the trading, you shortlisted 2 3 stocks for shorting side. Okay, but market was very bullish, you didn't get the any opportunity. Now what you have to do? Okay, either you have to close the trading and sit idle. That is the one situation. Second situation is, okay, your biased mind, you wanted to short it. Okay, wait for the shorting opportunity where it will give you the shorting opportunity. Until the time we have to wait. Okay, fortunately, I got the trading signal in the beginning itself, so I initiated. But my fortune turned into the unfortune and hit the stop loss. My study went wrong. So when we are wrong, we should give something to the market. Okay, that is the first discipline we need to have. Okay, most of the time, why we lose the more money? Even I lost the lakhs of money in the single trade. Okay, then later point of time, I realized that three main principles we must follow it. The first principle is max loss per trade. Okay, we must define this. The max loss per trade I have defined around 15k. Okay, around 15k in the sense, most of the time I trade with the 300 quantity in the Nifty, which is 4 lots, into 50 points is the stop loss. Okay, 15,000 is the reasonable stop loss for me. In the Nifty, 50 points move in option, it happens within a minute. Okay, so I defined max loss per trade is 15k. Okay, max, that is the first rule I defined. The second rule what I defined is the max loss per day. The max loss per day I defined as a 1% of my capital, which is 25,000 rupees. I trade with the 25 lakhs. Okay, the max loss per day is 25,000. If I get the 25,000 rupees loss, close the system and sit idle. Okay, this is the second rule I build. And the third rule, max trades per day. Max trades per day, 60 to 80% of the time I finish my trading max with 3 trades only. Okay, some cases, let's say I ended up with losing the money around 20,000 rupees. Okay, still there is a 5 more k I can lose. Okay, there is another opportunity. Already 3 trades over. 3 times I lost around 20k. Okay, still some grace is there. Some 5k margin is there. So that time I will go for the 2 more trades. Okay, 1 or 2 extra trades. That means the max, in the worst case, max I go for the 5, or if I reach to the 25k loss, close it within one trade or 2 trades. Okay, close it, or the max loss per trade is 15k. These are the 3 rules strictly I built recently. Okay, after that my losses got reduced. Okay, here here same trade I lost it. Okay, the my indicator, coming to the indicator, right? Indicator is not a god, the price action is a god. Here the indicator always gives the some signal which can be the false signal also. Okay, here this is my indicator. When it goes side, I wanted to look for the peak. Okay, overbought condition, overbought condition. These are the lines. If this trades above these lines, okay, that means overbought, which is like RSI based indicators. Okay, RSI based indicators I use. This is the some mode related indicator, I have developed some small code for these indicators. Okay, my indicator give me the wrong. Okay, in the morning, normally the future for the stock future, right? Future having the 2 rupees lesser price. That means maybe some dividend or something might have happened in this Hindustan Zinc. Some results are dividend. So future is lesser price. That's what I don't want to trade the future. Future is not moving properly. So I initiated trade with the 1250 quantity of the stock itself. Hindustan Zinc MIS order. MIS order I put. So my stop loss was around 6 points, which is 7,500 around comes. My target also day low. Okay, day low. I initiated at 515. Okay, 509, which is my target. So I wanted to close my trade with 7,000 rupees. Okay, I see my trade like I see the 3,500. When it reached here 3,500, I saw immediately it went and hit my stop loss. Okay. So now I cannot go and study the stocks dynamically. Already I prepared for Hindustan Zinc to short today, but it went against to my trade. So what to do? The second trade which I wanted to initiate in the Nifty. Okay. The same setup I use for the Nifty. Okay, here also this gave me the sell call option sell side opportunity. Call option sell side opportunity. But why I went for the here, this is where indicators doesn't work. Okay, 90% of the people believes the indicators which may not work. Okay, sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. When it works, all those things anyway in another few minutes I am going to discuss. Okay, here the market is falling, I supposed to sell the call option. Why I picked the put option? Okay, why I sold the put option here? Today I traded with the put option here. From here to here I captured the 7,000 rupees here, 7k, which is the loss recovery trade for the previous trade. Why I picked? Okay, this is where the price action comes into the picture. Okay, most of the time, 90% of the time, my price action is very simple. Okay, during the support, at the support, if I see the candle like this, or this is the red candle, okay, engulfed by the green candle, or multiple red candles engulfed by the green candles. Okay, you initiate the trade in the reversal. This is the only thing I follow. Okay, in case if it is in the top side, I use the shooting star. Okay, in the downside at the support, I use the long legged doji or whatever it is. Okay, the name doesn't matter here. This is the only the chart pattern I use in intraday. Okay, here this multiple red candles, because in the beginning I was busy with this. In the beginning I was busy with this. I ended up with a loss. Later point of time I see the bullish engulfing. So I initiated the trade with the put option. Here I didn't see the indicator, right? Where is the indicator gave me the signal? Still indicator showing market is bullish. Okay, still indicator showing market is bullish or like this. But in reality, the market was falling here. Okay, indicator is showing bullish, market was falling here. Okay, these are the things which will give sometimes. If the indicators always works when the extreme moves are there. Okay, very volatile condition is there, the stock goes into the unidirectional move, then only any indicator works. Okay, in the sideways market and small moves, right, indicator will not work, because indicators works based on the mathematical formulas. Okay, mathematical formulas, right? Some outliers will be there, some candles, extreme candles will be there. These are the all the indicators works based on the close price, high or low. Okay, this high and low will be calculated, or close price will be calculated based on the previous candle and current candle. Previous candle close is here somewhere and next candle close is somewhere. Okay, then between this, right, there could be a 1%, 2%, lot of things will be there. Okay, because of that mathematical extreme outliers, the indicators result will give you the wrong. In that case, we have to concentrate on the price action as well. Okay, price action is the one which will give you the first signal, then only you have to go with the indicators. Okay, here same indicator got failed. Okay, here I didn't followed any indicator, I got the success here. This is what I am trying to pinpoint. Okay, sometimes indicators works, sometimes it won't works. Okay, any system, you should not follow the system. Instead following the system, you should follow some rules defined. Okay, the probability game and the price action, the price which is having the open, close, all these things, right, all four values, high, low. Okay, these are the things, visible things on the chart. Okay, whatever the indicator, this is not visible. The mathematical formula inside this will not be visible, and the data, this data, right, this data always give you the wrong information because of the outliers. That is what I am trying to tell you. Okay, the same indicator, by using the same indicator, I traded here, right, I traded here. Actually, I wanted to make 7,000 rupees here in the Hindustan Zinc as per my trade plan. Okay, 7,000 rupees, I lost it. Okay, now I need to recover this 7,000. On top of it, the actual amount I wanted to make 7 more K. That means 15K I need to make from the Hindustan Zinc as per my trade plan. But nothing is in our hands, right? So I waited. Here I wanted to sell, but I didn't get the conviction. Why I didn't get the conviction? Because, okay, instead doing the trading here and there blindly, this is where the you need to follow the your trading system religiously. Okay, along with your trading system, the price action also should follow. Here I wanted to take the entry in this region. This is also reversal, but logically I am not getting convinced. Why I am not get convinced? Here there is no, okay, previous day high is not there, previous day low is not there, open price is not there, somewhere some illogical point is there. Here I don't want to take the trade. For taking the trade, at least some previous price action like previous high, previous resistance, previous support, all these things should be there. At the support or resistance as per our condition, either our indicator has to give the signal or support or resistance place, you need to see the either shooting star or some bearish engulfing. This is the green candle if you take. Okay, next bearish engulfing, shooting star, this kind of chart patterns we have to see. This is where I initiated the trade with the big quantity and I got the my money within few seconds. Okay, within few minutes only I got the money. Okay, that is how. Here the indicators, sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't work. Okay, for making the indicators, for believing the indicators, along with the indicators, some logical conclusion you should have. That logical conclusion should be, number one, you need to initiate the trade at the support or resistance. This is the number one point. And trade should be initiated based on the candle. That candle should be the proper bearish reversal candle or bullish reversal candle, any kind of candle. Okay, and the third thing is, along with this we need to have the some conviction, and your mindset has to tune like you are depending on some system. Okay, that along with that system also has to give the conviction, then you can initiate the trade. Okay, then we will be having the edge. Along with these three conditions, another three condition is you have to define, when your trading system gives you the wrong signal, how you have to overcome from the losses. Okay, that is where the stop loss comes. The stop loss should be defined. Max loss per trade is 0.5% of your capital. Okay, 0.5% of your capital, which is, let's say 25 lakhs means maximum 12.5k is your loss. 12.5k is your loss. Okay, why 15k I put? Because in Nifty, sometimes Nifty will have the extreme moves due to volatility. Okay, because of that, I always keep some logical number which is like 54 or 57 or 47, 46. Okay, I never put the 45, 40. These are the round figures. Okay, stop loss hunting is going to happen definitely. To prevent that, the better numbers are 47 is the stop loss from the entry. Okay, on top of it, you take the 47 points or 37 points or 57 points, like this. 6 and 7 you always keep. Okay, 6 also dangerous because the trigger price is 55. Okay, your stop loss will be 56. Then they will take you the stop loss and goes. Okay, better keep the 47 or 48. Okay, the middle number. Don't put the round figures. Okay, these stop losses will not hit. That is the reason I picked around 50 to 57 points. 47 to 57 in between. I go with the 53 sometimes, 52 sometimes. Okay, not the round figure. Okay, these are the things I wanted to discuss in this video. Okay, see, main thing is you can follow any your own indicator, but before following it, right, you must understand, you must practice the thing more than 6 months. Okay, you take any indicator, RSI for the sake, moving average. Okay, keep observe the moving average. End of the day, near to the moving average, what is happening? Okay, near to the 20 moving average, what is happening? If you generalize the thing, right, okay, the moment, any momentum stock if you take, okay, for the sake I am going to take, okay, what is the top gainer in this today? IIFL is the top gainer. If you take, okay, let me open the 20 moving average. I am going to put just a simple example. I am putting the 20 moving average. I am keeping. Okay, this is what the logical, right? Any trending stock if you take on the 5 minutes chart, okay, the 20 moving average, why here the 20 moving average is not okay? Because the 20 moving average will take some time after 10:30 or 11:30 only. Okay, you will see the this price under this 20 moving average. Since this is the lagging indicator, it takes some time to reach to the price. Okay, for that, lot of candles has to form. Okay, instead, if you see this kind of thing, right, by after 10:30, whichever the stock touches to the 20 moving average, you can trade 1% easily. After that 20 moving average, nearby 20 moving average. Okay, just like that, one example I am telling. This is the 20 moving average. This is the red candle engulfed by the green candle nearby the 20 moving average. You take the entry. This is how many points? 2-3 points only, right? Okay, let it go. 2-3 points. You can take, you trade 5 points. If the lot size, if the lot size is 1000, the future lot size is, or option lot size is 1000. Okay, you are going to lose the 3000 rupees here. If you get, you are going to get more than 3000 or 5000, at least from here to here. How many points? 5 points are there, something like that. Okay, by 11 o'clock, 10:30 to 11:30, definitely you will get this kind of move in the top gainers. Okay, whichever the stock trading more than 4% or 3%, you can aim this kind of small trade in the direction. Okay, in this direction only. But most of the time I don't trade in the direction. Instead, going from here to here, for me, coming from here to here is easy. Okay, for coming to here is very easy for me. There are a couple of reasons which I am going to discuss in the next video. Okay, here the conclusion is, you believe one system or you believe one indicator, practice it. What is happening in the by 11 o'clock or 10:30 at the end of the market by 3 o'clock, what is happening? Observe 6 months. Okay, everything will work. But when it is not working, what is the action item? You have to work on it. That you have to get it. That nobody will teach you. That you have to get it from based on your experience. That experience should come when you are practicing it or when you are observing the lot of charts every day, particular time frame. Only you practice weekly, or only you practice 5 minutes, or only you practice 15 minutes. Don't keep on change. Okay, if you see my positional trades, always use 120 moving average on the weekly chart. This is what my thing. Okay, my intraday trades always the reversal trade, only the reversal trade. Okay, the max profit I defined for 1:1 only. If the risk is 10,000, I look only for the 10,000 profit. That's all. Okay, coming to today's trade. Okay, let me show you the the trades which I have taken today. This is what I am saying. The Hindustan Zinc. Okay, I initiated by 9:36. It is not worked out. Okay, I realized that it is going to flap show. That is where again I initiated the Nifty put option side. Okay, put option side, because market having the bullish view. Okay, even though initially market falling, I see the price action which is giving the bullish engulfing. That is where I initiated the trade. Okay, I got the 25 points, which is here stop loss hit. Then here somewhere stop loss, somewhere here I exited here 132, 154, 22 points. Okay, which is around 7,000 rupees. Okay, let me go to the Hindustan Zinc, 7,500 loss, then 6,600. Okay, 300 quantity, 22 points. Then again I attempted the 10 lots. Okay, since I got very disappointed, I wanted to take the quick trade. Very quickly I wanted to capture this. That is where I went with the 10 lots. Okay, this is the 10 lots. 18 I sold. Okay, the moment I sold, right, I got the 6,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees. Okay, here 40, 40 paisa, 40 paisa into 12,000. Okay, around 5,000 rupees. I thought of exiting here, but I didn't exited. It didn't give the chance. Again, it went up. Then I put the 16. Immediately, it responded back. Okay, finally, I exited all the trades at 1 rupee 25 paisa I captured, which is the 15,000 rupees. Okay, as per my trade plan, I wanted to recover this loss from the Hindustan Zinc and on top of it make the 7,500. That is what I satisfied with the 15,000. Okay, after that market fallen. Okay, that is a different story. Okay, if you see, right, this is the time I initiated the trade here. Okay, continuously it was falling till this point. Okay, my target is here only. This is where I am interested always with the reversal trade. See, I know it is moving up. I can take here because I was sitting with the my system and I was keep on looking. I know I can trade this, but that is not my interest. Okay, I followed. I practiced only one system, which is reversal trade. Okay, why reversal trade? That I am going to discuss in the couple of upcoming videos. Okay, even though I know which is going up, I don't trade. I'm waiting for this one to trade. Okay, that's all, friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. You practice, you take only one indicator, anything RSI or MACD or Bollinger Bands or standard deviation, mean, median, mode. Okay, whatever the indicator you want, you practice it. Only practice one time frame with one setup, one particular thing for the longer time, definitely we will understand. We need to understand the setup first. Okay, this will not come by teaching, even though I can give you this setup. Okay, but if the setup works for me, it won't work for you because you don't know how to deal with it, because I know each indicator in which time frame. Okay, in the daytime from the 9 to 9:15 to 3:30, in which time how these indicators react. Okay, where it is going to fall, where it is going to rise, I know. Okay, because I practiced it. That's what you take your own indicator and you practice it. Definitely you will get it. Okay, thank you so much, friends. Thank you.